Alright guys, welcome back to a quick short video. This is being recorded for a smartphone, so if you're holding your smartphone, make sure you hold it in the correct orientation. This is to tell you the winner of the blind camera test for the Z Fold 4 versus the S22 Ultra, and here they are. Camera A and camera B. So a lot of people chose camera B because why? It is a proven fact that a blind camera test can always determine the real winner. The Z Fold 4 has proven itself that it does not have trash cameras, and people that keep saying that definitely don't own both phones. Now, while the S22 Ultra is a phenomenal device, there's still going to be people out there that say, no. Well, it is what it is, folks. This is just one camera test, and in every camera test that I've tested both of these devices, it pretty much turns out the same. People pick the Z Fold 4 if they don't know which is which. That is just how it goes. So if you chose camera B, which the majority of you did, you actually do think the Z Fold's cameras are better. Take care.